Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Chilling with Sam, and like you can see, it's your girl Sam. And today I am going to be sharing my experience with you guys. So it's story time basically. So I'm gonna share my experience. Like, I don't know how many of you would have known that there was an hurricane here recently, and when that hurricane came, I wasn't really in the whole YouTube thing, so I decided to share my experience now. And where do I start? So when I heard that there was going to be a hurricane, I didn't take it serious. I was like, oh, there would be no hurricane, there's not going to be any hurricane. I was even at school like the day before the hurricane, and I was at work I think the night before the hurricane. So I was at work the Friday until about 8 o'clock, and then the hurricane was like around midnight, 1 a.m. thereabout. And I still never take it serious or anything. And I heard everybody going crazy, there's gonna be a hurricane. I was like, I never heard of hurricane in Canada, if you know what I mean. Like, I am from Jamaica, where we get a lot of hurricanes, tropical storms, and you know the whole works. But this one for sure I didn't take serious. Like, when I went to the supermarkets, like, I didn't went to market because I was stocking up for hurricane or anything. I just went to get a few basic items. And when I went to the supermarket, all the shelves were empty. There were like literally nothing in these supermarkets. I was like, oh, it must be serious. Like, and then I was like, okay, I didn't get anything. I just come home and I was like in my bed, and I heard that the hurricane, and this hurricane is Hurricane Fiona, so you can look it up, guys. And I'm gonna drop some images and videos at the end of this video to show you guys what Hurricane Fiona did to Nova Scotia. Like, literally, I didn't believe that it would have been this amount of damage per se, but you'll see the videos and the images. So I was like literally in my bed, and I was sleeping, and then the next thing I know is like the entire house was shaking. Like, literally shaking. At this point in time, I got scared, and I remember making a post on my WhatsApp status, and I reached out to a few people, and I was asking them. I was like, oh, I'm on the top floor, I'm upstairs, and if the building is what is falling, what should I do? And then one person, I think it was Natalia, or who was it, telling me to go under a door jam. I was like, oh, that's earthquake, that's not for hurricane. And then I was like, started praying, and I was like, the house was like literally shaking. Yes, I am from Jamaica, where we have a lot of hurricanes and everything, but in Jamaica my house was concrete, so I never experienced anything like this. When I'm in Jamaica, I was always excited about hurricanes because it's like I never like feel it. I can see it but not feel it. But this here, I think I was emotionally damaged from this storm. Like, I thought the house was gonna fall, and then the house was like, and then I remembered my landlord telling me that this house was built by her grandparents, and the whole of the house is here and everything. And I was like, oh my god, is this house gonna withstand this amount of breeze? Like, there was breeze, and trust me when I tell you that the house was shaking. At one point in time I got up, and to my surprise, when I got up, my landlord was on the main floor because she got up because she was scared. My housemate, she didn't budge. She was sleeping right through the entire storm. I don't know if they get storm in Nigeria, but I think she said they don't get storms there. But it amazes me how calm she was during the whole process, the whole thing. And we were without electricity. And people, imagine being in a foreign country without your family, without your friends. You literally have nobody here, and you don't have electricity, which means you don't have internet, which means you don't have access to television. You can't watch anything. So at one point in time, I think I was going local, guys, like crazy, because what do I do with myself? There's nothing for us to do. And there were parts of Nova Scotia that, like close to where I'm at, that was without electricity for 2 weeks. So you can only imagine. At one point in time, my friend told me that she was going to the pub to do her assignments because they have generators there, and she went there, and I was actually thinking about that because I wanted to get some work done, but there was no electricity, and you need electricity to use the internet, and there was no internet. And even after we get like electricity, it didn't take me long to get electricity, but it did take a few days. And then when it came, there was no internet, like internet with days upon days upon days. And this whole ordeal was like literally crazy. The morning after the storm, which is a Saturday morning, we went on the road. There were sections of the road that was blocked. There were light posts that was coming down, and then we went by the seaside, and the breeze was like pushing and pulling me. I was like, oh my god. But the experience, trust me, worse if you're not somewhere or from a country where you would normally get hurricanes, it would be like literally scary. But one of the good things though is that they did provide some centers where you could go to charge your phones and your laptops and those are the thing, and you can get hot beverages or breakfast or something there. I've never been there, but I think they offer some amount of food items and stuff. So for persons who really wanted to get their phone charged and stuff, they could go there, even to use there to do assignments. But getting my phone charged wasn't the problem, it's internet. Like the data here, it goes so fast. There was no data, so it wouldn't even make sense having my phone because I couldn't do anything on my phone. But like I said, I get back electricity probably about 4 or 5 days after, I don't remember, but then there was no internet. So yeah, but people, trust me, I never ever know that I would literally cry in tears because of hurricane, like literally. But thanks be to God, it was over with, and from my knowledge, I don't think there was any deaths. I know I read something in the paper about one person, 2 sisters. They found one that was washed away in the sea, which was good because I know a lot of time in other countries you have like quite an amount of persons who would be probably dead or something from hurricanes. So yeah, so take a look at these photos to have an idea of the damages that was done by Hurricane Fiona. Like I said, it's not a lot because I wasn't planning on this whole YouTube thing, guys. But I hope you, and then again, I know probably some of you would have already Googled or seen it on Facebook, Instagram, or wherever, because it was all over social media too. So probably you would have seen some of the footages already.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never ran, I still go. Climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the
wow, that's a big tree. That's multiple.
With the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts say and turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display, on repeat in your
Yes, so school was actually out for about 2 weeks. So you know that's more work on us when school is out for 2 weeks. And also, there was no bus on the road, so there was no way for us to get around. So we either would have to walk, beg or drive, or ask somebody to take us, or we gonna charter or call a cab. So, but there was literally no bus for the entire 2 weeks, and that sucks, like literally not being able to move around. Some people or persons were not able to cook because a lot of persons in Canada, I realized that they use mostly electrical stoves, so when there's no light, they're not able to cook. Luckily, my landlord has her stove is not only electrical, it is both electrical and whatever you call it, but we were able to cook. So during those 2 weeks, all we do was sleep, eat, wake up, sleep, eat, nothing. One day at one point in time, I was like, I think I'm gonna go crazy, and my landlord, she brought us to her sister's house, and we watched movies and stuff like that because she has a generator there, which was actually good. But outside of that, we were just here, like, I don't know, there was nothing for us to do, nobody for us to talk to. There was literally nothing. So I wouldn't want to experience this anytime soon or ever again. Literally, like, no, I don't think so. The structures of the houses here, like most of the houses that I see, they're from boards, and so once there's a storm, they are going to shake the hell out of you. But thank God we survived, and I am grateful that I am here so that I can share my story with you. But I hope you enjoy this video. So if you watch this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you liked the video. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, I'm hoping that you will find some courage to hit that subscription button, and have a good one. Thank you for watching.